Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. The problem maximum points on a line from Leetcode, problem 149, requires you to find the maximum number of points that can lie on the same straight line given a list of points in a 2D plane. Problem statement. Given an array of points where points I equals x, y, return the maximum number of points that lie on the same straight line. Approach. To solve this problem, you can use the concept of slopes. The idea is to calculate the slope between each pair of points and use a hash map, dictionary, to count how many points share the same slope with respect to a chosen point. Steps to solve the problem. 1. Handle edge cases. If there are less than 2 points, return the count of points. 2. Calculate slopes. For each point, calculate the slope to every other point and store these slopes in a dictionary. 3. Normalization of slope. To avoid floating point inaccuracies, represent slopes as a tuple of integers, dy, dx, reduced by their greatest common divisor, GCD. 4. Count points. For each point, count how many times each slope occurs with respect to that point. 5. Find the maximum. The maximum count from the dictionary provides the maximum number of points on the same line for that specific point. Python code example. Here is the implementation of the above approach. Explanation of the code. 1. Edge case handling. If the number of points is less than or equal to 2, we directly return that number. 2. Iterate through points. We loop through each point and calculate the slope to every other point. 3. Slope calculation. The slope is calculated as a tuple, dy, dx, normalized using the GCD. 4. Count slopes. We store the frequency of each slope in a dictionary. 5. Determine maximum points. After processing all slopes for a point, we calculate the maximum number of points that can be collinear with that point and update our max underscore points. Complexity analysis. Time complexity, O, n-2, where n is the number of points, because we compare each point with every other point. Space complexity, O, n, for storing the slopes in the dictionary. This method efficiently finds the maximum points on a line by leveraging the properties of slopes and hash maps for counting occurrences.